friends, let's hear them all. The farm animals are having a ball. Listen close and you will hear the cutest sounds all through the year.
1, the cow goes moo, moo. The cow goes moo, moo, moo. Big brown eyes on the farm today. The cow goes moo all day. 2, the sheep goes baa, baa. The sheep goes baa, baa, baa. Fluffy white in the morning sun. The sheep goes baa.
So fun!
3, the pig goes oink, oink. The pig goes oink, oink, oink. Rolling round in the muddy ground. The pig goes oink.
What a sound!
4, the duck goes quack, quack. The duck goes quack, quack, quack. Splashing loud in a little pond. The duck goes quack.
She's so fun!
5, the horse goes neigh, neigh. The horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. Running fast through the open field. The horse goes neigh.
Feel the thrill!
Moo, ba, oink, quack, neigh. The farm is loud today. All the animals come and play.
Moo, ba, boom!
Hip hooray! What does the animal say? Say, say, say. What does the animal say?
6, the chicken goes cluck, cluck. The chicken goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Pecking seeds on the sunny ground. The chicken goes cluck. Look around.
7, the donkey goes hee-haw, hee-haw. The donkey goes hee-hee-haw. Ears so long and a voice so bold. The donkey goes hee-haw.
We're told.
8, the goat goes ma, ma. The goat goes ma, ma, ma. Climbing rocks in the afternoon. The goat goes ma.
Over the moon.
9, the dog goes woof, woof. The dog goes woof, woof, woof. Wagging tail through the garden gate. The dog goes woof.
Isn't that great?
10, the cat goes meow, meow. The cat goes meow, meow, meow. Curled up soft in the sunny hay. The cat goes meow.
All day.
Moo, ba, oink, quack, neigh. The farm is loud today. All the animals come and play.
Moo, ba, boom!
Hip hooray! What does the animal say? Say, say, say. What does the animal say?
11, the turkey goes gobble.
Gobble.
The turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble.
Fanning feathers big and bright. The turkey gobbles left and right.
12, the rooster goes cock-a-doo, cock-a-doo. The rooster crows the whole day through, waking everyone at sunrise. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Open your eyes.
13, the rabbit goes sniff, sniff, sniff. The rabbit hops, catch a whiff. Wiggling nose and floppy ears. The bunny hops and disappears. 14, the lamb goes baa. The tiny lamb goes ba, ba, ba. Smallest voice on the whole big farm. The baby lamb is full of charm. 15, the calf goes moo. Tiny moo. The baby calf goes moo, moo, moo. Standing up on wobbly legs. The baby calf humbly begs.
Now let's count them all together.
1, moo.
2, baa.
3, oink.
4, quack.
5, neigh.
6, cluck.
7, hee-haw.
8, ma.
9, woof.
10, meow. Are you ready for 5 more?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. 16, the pig squeal squeeze, squeeze. Baby piglet wild and free. 17, the cowbell rings clang clang. The whole farm sings with a bang bang. 18, the ducks all quack quack quack. 5 little ducks come waddling back. 19, the rooster and the hen cock-a-doo cluck.
Again, again.
20, all the animals say moo, bow, and quack, neigh. Cluck, hee-haw, ma, woof, meow.
Every single animal.
Wow! Moo, ba, oink, quack, neigh. 20 animals today. All together, hip hooray.
Moo, ba, boom.
What a day. What does the animal say? Say, say, say. What does the animal say?
Moo, ba, boom.
Goodbye, cow.
Goodbye, sheep.
Goodbye, everyone.
Time to sleep.
We'll be back another day for more animals. Hip hooray.
Moo, ba,